Yeah, if you notice behind me, there's a big blank space, and it's kind of how it all situation came about. Basically, I had been cleaning up my garage, got my car out, and was actually sweeping up the floor and getting ready to to bring my car back in and work on it again. I just like to have the floor clean because I'm down on the floor a lot. Not every once in a while, a couple months I'll mop it or something. So I got the car out, and I was like trolling through Facebook, kind of like you do, and I saw a 1963 sliding ragtop bug show up on my feed. And man, I looked at it and I was like, oh man, that would be so sweet. I've always wanted a ragtop bug, and I really wanted an early bug, pre-64. I've been working on this car that I had. I actually brought the 72 home on June 1st last year. So it's almost been 1 year. And since then I've rebuilt everything on it, as far as mechanical, and I've had a lot of fun with it and traveled all over the place. I've taken it to drag races, all kinds of fun events and stuff. But the whole time I was doing that, I was grateful to have a car, but it wasn't the car that I wanted. So anyway, I took a picture of my garage and I sent it to the guy, and I said, man, I'm sitting here imagining what it would be like to have that car here. And then all of a sudden it started hitting on there, with everybody. There's a club up in the Dallas-Fort Worth area called the Crash Dummies, and they're all like, oh, it could be yours, and I said, man, because I put on the post, I'd like to put it on. I said, I got an empty hole right here I could put it in. And then all of a sudden all the memes started coming regarding the hole. So it was hilarious. They were funny guys. They got a sense of humor and stuff. I know a lot of them. But anyway, I ended up reaching out, and I bought the car, and so I'm excited. Tonight, Barry from the Old German Steel Car Club is going to come with me, and we're going to drive about an hour and 45 minutes over there and pick up the car. So I figured I'd bring you guys along, and then after we get it back here, I don't know if it'll be tonight, but here in the near future, we'll go ahead and kind of explore the car together a little bit and talk about what the plan is. So anyway, here's another adventure, living that VW life. So let's see what we can do. Went and helped my friend get his car off of his car trailer, and now I'm going to go park my truck at the house, and we are going to head for the Dallas-Fort Worth area. It's right between Dallas and Fort Worth, where we're going to go pick up the car, and I'm super pumped up about it. I don't know exactly why I'm so excited. I don't even know what I bought yet. I bought it off the internet, but I'm still pumped up about it. All right, my brother's here, got the trailer. We're good to go.
Ready to roll, sir.
Ready to roll. All right, guys, we've headed out, and we are about to do what all Texans do when you travel. We're going to Bucky. Alright guys, this is about 2 days later. This is the car. It's a 63 Ragtop. Really super excited that it's pretty amazing. The floors look pretty solid and the heater channels are completely fine. It does need some work. I'll show it to you here in a second, but there's a couple little spots on the floors, but nothing too bad on it. Car was ruby red. It's been painted yellow. I don't know if I'm going to try to strip it or not. I may just sand it down and repaint it again. But apron's not crushed. Everything seems to be pretty nice. Got original Volkswagen front windshield, which is kind of rare. And the dash is all there, which I'm pretty excited about. And so, but mostly this Ragtop is what I'm really pumped about. Something I've always wanted. When I first got the car, the back window here is pretty up, and there's not a replacement panel for that. So as an experiment, I attempted to make one out of a flat piece of steel and weld it in. That's kind of the results of it. I'll get some pictures of the process. I'll throw them up right here. We can take a look at them. But I know now that I can form a flat piece of metal into the shapes that I need and get it welded in. So I'm going to finish this up around the windshield, and I'll probably film it. I just, that first time, I was just concentrating because I didn't know exactly what the outcome was going to be. All right, well guys, super pumped. I'm looking forward to building this car. I've already got the motor to the machine shop. It didn't come with one. I had one here. We're going to try to build us a nice little stroker motor to put in it, and get it ready to get cleaned up and get on the road. So until next time, guys, y'all take care and go work on your old Volkswagen Bug or your old bus, like this one here. But go work on your old vintage Volkswagen. You take care, and we'll catch you next time.